Hello everyone. So today I'm going to install Adobe Fuse and create a custom character like this. So for this we don't need any kind of a previous knowledge on character modeling or anything. It is very simple. And then I'm going to upload this character I create in the Adobe Fuse to Mixamo, and so here is the animated character inside the Mixamo. So using Mixamo I can download animations, any animation I want for this character. So I hope to use this character inside my game, maybe as a civilian. So yeah, that's what I'm going to cover today. Okay, so first, to add civilian characters I need some civilian models. So but I am not a character artist, I don't know 3D modeling, so therefore I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna give a try with this Adobe Fuse. I hear that is a very simple application to create characters for games, and then you can use them and upload to Mixamo and animate them. So this is, we can download it for free, and it is still in a beta mode, so expect to have problems, but yeah, let's see. Okay, I have downloaded and installed the Fuse. So this is the screen I get. Actually I'm not very familiar with the system, so let's see. Okay, it seems I can select a head. Let's select a male character. What about this one? His name is Brute. Let's select him. Right. For the torso, this one looks like him. For legs, Brute. Well, this it seems this part does not match. Let's see. Male Brute. This is his torso. Okay, that matches. Now the legs. Brute A. Alright, so all the parts are done. Now what? Yeah, let's go to customize. It seems this character is too bulky, too... Oh, anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll leave it like this. For head, oh okay, let's randomize. Nothing really happens. Right, let's go to face. We can change the expressions. I wonder whether we can export these expressions as blend shapes. Right, what about this? Alright. Okay, so these are the options we have. So right, and now let's go to clothing section. So since we are working on a more open world RPG type of a game, so I think we should use more traditional looking outfit. Mm, but do we have such clothes here? No, I don't think anything. I don't see anything fit in here. So let's see about. Oh, okay. This one looks alright. Yeah, this one looks more like a RPG type of a thing. Well, a medieval type actually. But this is an armor, not a normal outfit. But we don't have a suitable normal outfit here. So yeah, let's use this anyway. Okay, what about shoes? Well, mm, let's use these. It matches the outfit. Yeah, let's use that for the shoes and for hair. Mm, what about this one? Yeah, that seems alright. Hats. Do I need a hat? No, let's leave him like this. I don't need a hat. Oh, I wear. Maybe I could use some beard. Let's use this. Yeah. Gloves I don't need. Masks. Yeah, I don't need that too. Yes, maybe some mustaches. Okay. Now he looks like a proper warrior actually, rather than a civilian. Yeah, but yeah, that's okay. Let me save this. Since this is a beta version, I expect to have crashes. This is Prot. Texture. We can use 1K textures, no problem. Oh, we can change the colors as well. Cool, but I think these colors would do fine. Pants. Let's make the pants a little light. No, I like the default colors. Okay, so yeah, that would be enough. So here we have the send to Mixamo option, but I think I should first log into Mixamo in my browser. Or let's just press this. Okay, I need to log in. Right, let's sign in to Adobe Creative Cloud. Right, after signing in, I think I can save the character and it is exporting package in your character for the Mixamo pipeline. Alright, let's wait. Okay, once the uploading is done, I was automatically redirected to this page. Let's see what happens now. It seems the character we created is being auto-rigged. Right, so this is the preview of the character. Okay, so here we have a couple of options. Yeah, for the skeleton I'll use the standard skeleton, and for facial blend space I'll enable them. So if we want to do things like laughing or show anger or show frustration or facial expressions, or I think this should include the mouth. Yeah, when we're talking, the mouth movement also should be able, we should be able to do it with the facial blend spaces. So yeah, let's see. Update rig. Okay, rig updating is done. So yeah, let's finish. Animate. Okay, so let's add some idle animation to this. Just a standing idle. That animation looks bad. Yeah, this one is okay, I guess. So what is arrow? I didn't see that before. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll download this character with a skin. Okay, the character is downloading. Yeah, but I think I should stop this episode at this point. So yeah, here is the character with the animation. So yeah, in the next episode I'll import this downloaded character to Unreal and let's see what happens.